Now, despite all the speculation over the fate of the company's bill, Moily, Minister of Corporate Affairs, insists that it will not be modified. In fact, it will be presented in the budget session of the Parliament. Devdatta Das is then joining us with exclusive details on what's expected from the bill. Devdatta.
Well, the company's bill is on track. That's one thing for sure, because as I spoke to Moily, he told me categorically that the bill has not been withdrawn from the Parliament and that it will be debated and discussed and probably passed during the budget session. That said, a lot of MCA sources have told me that while Yashwant Sinha, who's the chairman of the Standing Parliamentary Committee, had raised issues because of which the entire problem of the question of withdrawing the bill or putting that on a hold came up, there will be no changes made in the bill. All provisions that were made after the in addition of the Standing Parliamentary Committee's recommendations will remain unchanged. And I'm talking about very, very important recommendations like the ones on the subsidiary companies, where the company's bill says that there will be a cap on the number of subsidiaries a wholly owned company, wholly owned subsidiary of a holding company can have. Not only that, the mandatory guidelines on CSR, the new company's bill provisions said that CSR of 2% will be voluntary with a mandatory disclosures to the shareholders. These important provisions will remain unchanged despite the fact that Yashwant Sinha, who is the Standing Parliamentary Committee's chairman, had raised objections, and the ministry is hoping that it will get passed during the budget session.